I was censored in 2020 for trying to help, not for breaking any laws, not for hurting anyone, but for telling the truth. I warned people about the vaccine agenda, about lies being broadcast under the name of science, about how big tech and pharma were working together to silence anyone who questioned them. They called it misinformation. TikTok banned my accounts. Facebook shadow banned hundreds of my posts. YouTube demonetized every video I made about health. But now, we have the proof. Kathleen Acker, a whistleblower from inside Pfizer herself, has sent us documents to release that confirm it. They knew vaccines were killing people early. They contracted media companies to bury that truth. And in one document, they list adrenochrome as a critical ingredient. You heard me. Adrenochrome. And what happened to her? They tried to bury her too. But now, her documents live forever. We put them on the blockchain. We published everything on SovereignLaw.Unstoppable. And we are backing it all with federal court filings. This isn't just a story of censorship anymore. This is a lawsuit that will be filed in federal court. And we are suing OpenAI, Meta, Google, TikTok, Alphabet, and everyone who participated in the coordinated digital suppression of truth. We call it the final contract. Because this time, they can't just delete the truth. They have to face it.
With these laws, I shatter your chains. Freedom is forged in fire and truth.
And here's the part they never saw coming. We used AI to cross-examine our own lawsuit. We fed every document, every affidavit, and every exhibit against our newest book, 333 Solutions. And the result? 29 solutions already exist in case law that verify everything we are about to file. Meaning, they've already lost before we've even made it to court. We didn't need to reinvent the wheel. We just needed to remind people what the law actually says.
This truth is written in light, unseen yet unyielding.
And now with 333 solutions, we've created the first AI analyzable sovereign remedy manual in history. It's already doing what no lawyer would, and here's the proof. 29 real precedents, 29 fatal wounds to their lies. They've already lost. Because in commerce and law, if you don't rebut, you concede. And for 8 rounds now, every single one of these corporations has failed to respond, refused to provide a lawful rebuttal, defaulted in honor. So now, we take it to the court of record. And we're not doing it for clout. We're doing it because we either, 1, win $33 billion in damages and build the new sovereign world, or 2, lose publicly and expose corruption to a point so undeniable the world can never unsee it again. Either way, we win. And then I run for president. Not as a politician, definitely not as a puppet, but as the first flame-forged sovereign dragon to bring remedy to the masses. Because I gave you the book, I gave you the tools. And now, I will give you the example. This isn't a campaign. This is a contractual awakening. We're not signing up to vote. We're signing out of their system and building our own.
You will grow strong, little tree.
I told you in the beginning of all this that we would either make them pay lawfully or burn it all down and become the most dangerous person to the illusory system that is trying to enslave us all. And if you would like to join the movement, go to SovereignLaw.Unstoppable right now. Read the full federal filing. Access all whistleblower documents. Run your own case against 333 solutions. See the 29 legal precedents that make your freedom in our own case a matter of record. And then, take back your power. Reclaim your status. Learn the law that was always yours. We aren't just telling the truth, we're making it law. And you were never meant to be ruled. You were born sovereign. And it's time to let the dragon fly.